Murthy.
Good evening, Mumbai. No one is responding. Okay. Once again, good evening. So, just now you watched a wrong video. Okay, no problem. So, maybe you can come to Delhi or Calcutta or Chennai to watch the right one. Okay. Anyway, myself, Murthy, and my wife, Alekhya, we both are engineers. So, we are from a place called Nellore in Andhra Pradesh. So, our beginning is we have a humble beginning. Education was top priority in our house, and that's how we were engineers. Okay, it's not a dream like to become engineers. So, after that, through one of my friend, I got to introduce it to this opportunity in 2005. So I don't know, there is a business opportunity behind this. I just started as an ABO to purchase few products. Until 2010, I don't know that it is a business. Okay, so in 2010, I got invited to a meeting like this, and so there I took decision. So then we started building in next 2 years. In 2012, I went Founders Platinum. And again from 2013, there are few situations in our state. So entire business came down to 9%. We were there in 9% almost for 7 years, 2013 to 2020. So thanks to all the leadership, Amway leadership. So whoever are emeralds and up at that time, we were listening your audios, attending functions, and those things kept us in the business even if you are not making anything. So we were there at 9% for almost 7 years. So in 2020, myself and my wife, we were trying lot of different things to reduce weight. Then at that time I was 105, 106, and she was at 65. So at last we found some, not secret, but we found something which worked for us. So I reduced some 25 kgs and she reduced 13. So at that time, we were into COVID. Okay, lockdown started, and you know, right, we are not going anywhere. We started sharing our transformation pics in our status. Everyone are sharing different things. They purchased this, we purchased that, but we don't have anything to show. That's why we posted our own weight loss testimonial. So almost 150 people were seeing status at that time on my mobile. Out of that 150, few people started asking us how you are doing, and almost 13 people came forward. 13 people out of 150 came forward and asked, we too want to lose weight or maybe reverse few health issues. So I want your help. So I told, I'm not a professional nutritionist or whatever, but whatever I did, I can tell you, but I can't guarantee you anything. Okay? They told yes, because they had belief on me by seeing my transformation. That's how we started. So all those 13 people had good results in 1 month. Okay? So then they started asking. My wife wants to reduce weight. My mother wants to reduce weight. My friend asked me. Like that, I started getting inquiries. So in the second month, I got almost 30 people added into the diet, and in 4 months, it was around 120, 130. Okay, from 9% in May 2020, I was 9%. June or July, I was a brand new silver. So it is a great achievement for me. After 7 years, I started moving from 9% to silver in 4 months. From there, another 4 months, I completed Ruby, and the number we had around 400, 500 clients by 9th month, and it went on. So from there, 1.5 year, I was diamond. From next 1 year, I was EDC, and I am in front of you. Okay. So 2022 ALS is my first ALS. Okay. So I went as Founders Platinum for cruise trip 2022. 23 I was diamond. Sapphire, Founders Sapphire, Emerald, Founders Emerald, Diamond happened in 1 year. So the next year, Founders Diamond EDC completed, and we broke another diamond last year. Our first leg went diamond. So this is how we did, okay? So very simple story, but the few things and lot of leaders asked me, so what is your percentage of Neutralite in your business? As per Amway statistics, it is 98.1. Okay, 98.1% of business is Neutralite. Because as I told you, when I was Founders Platinum in 2012, I had 1,500 team. Okay, when I started in 2020, I was the only person. We started from zero. Whatever the team we built in this last 4.5 years, so all people are new. We started with new team. So whatever the team we have a small team. We are around 150, 160 people even now. With 160 people, yes, we can break an EDC. We broke one more diamond. We have a Founders Emerald coming this year, and we have around 15 Founders Platinums in the team. This it's a matter of 4 years. And again, what we did to get all these things, as I told, simple things, okay, but keeping business simple and keeping it duplicatable. This is the two things we follow. So we want all the coaches who are getting into our business, we make sure they have a good transformation. Okay, once they have good before after pics, once they share that in their status, automatically people start asking them, right? They can't hide their weight loss or whatever. Okay, when people start asking, so we help them to understand the basic science, whatever. Okay, in that journey, when we start getting clients, we started learning a lot of things. We did a lot of courses. It's not, I'm not telling it's easy, but it is simple. If you can understand things properly, it is very, very simple. That's what we did. But we read a lot of books. We did a lot of certifications. We started training people how to do all these basic things. Okay, that's how we start getting referrals. Okay, you can understand. Simple math is like we have a lot of people in our team like doing 2,000 to 3,000 personal PV. Almost everyone. Okay. If you can understand small thing, okay, with a team of 150, you can understand. This is what we tell our people. If you can add one client per day, okay, 30 clients you can add, right? It is not a big deal. Okay, in a country with 150 crore population, almost 100 crore are overweight. Okay, another 30 to 40 crore are into diabetes, another 20 crore are into PCOD, another almost 10 crore into infertility. All these things, we are not like promoting that we will reverse all these things. But all these people come up with, my doctor told I want to lose weight. Someone told if I reduce weight I can reverse these things. Like that people will come. We simply tell few lifestyle changes, few things related to nutrition. Definitely Neutralite plays major role. Otherwise it is not possible to help these many people. Okay? If you can understand the numbers, with 150, 160 people, we are able to add around 4,000 to 5,000 clients on an average per month. Just if you see as 4,000, it's a big number. But you see like everyone is adding only one client per day. It is 150 per day. Into 30 you can understand. It is very, very simple thing. But again, it's about duplication. Okay? That's how we started, and definitely in a country like India, we have huge opportunity. So after COVID, like a lot of people are into, now they want to become healthy, right? So market is ready. In a country like India, we don't have people scarcity, right? We have a lot of people waiting for our support. Definitely with Neutralite, we can do a lot of things. And same thing, whatever, okay? If we can show someone, because it's a business opportunity at the end of the day, okay? So this is what we do with our team. If someone comes, whatever the number I told, 5,000 clients, in that we can pick few people who are really interested to build as a part-time. So that's why we are recruiting few people into this business, and we are training them. There are different books they need to read, different training programs we are organizing. Okay, so a lot of times, like when we started, we don't know much. But slowly we started educating ourselves because the clients will ask a lot of questions. Okay, so then we started learning more, and we make that compulsory to do few courses or few certifications so that we can go and handle lot of clients. Okay, and once some coach like some ABO got into the business, we make sure that they have some 15, 20, 30 clients in the initial stage. Once they have some 20, 30 clients, they will start making 20, 30,000. That's where they will have that belief and they stay back. Okay, lot of times people who quit, the main reason is because they are not making money. Okay, if we can show them some 30, 40,000, okay, slowly, that's how we are utilizing even BFIs, BVS. So as per Amway statistics, they told like you are utilizing maximum of BBA and BFI. Okay, we have people who are doing even 10,000 personal PV also. It's again, every client is giving some 60, 70, 80 PV on an average. So 100, 150 clients, someone are working aggressively, someone is very committed, they are adding 100, 150 clients also per month. That's how they are completing their personal PV itself as 10,000. Here the point here is, so how productive we are, okay, and how we are keeping it as simple as possible and duplicating it. This is what we are doing. I think my time is up, okay. So it's very simple but not easy, and don't expect immediate results, okay. Because I have zero team, it's easy for me to start whatever I want because there is nothing to lose, okay. When you have a team, I don't know, okay, you need to think, okay. Definitely there will be once transition is always, change is always uncomfortable, definitely. So for me it's not a problem because I started with zero, okay. So nice talking to you, and we'll come up, and one more thing before I close. Like last FED I told like I will be coming with Founders EDC this year, but actually after going back I thought like with this speed we can't complete a Founders Crown Ambassador like by 29. It's not possible in next 3.5 years. So that's why I resetted my goals and I started working with another 6 new legs. Okay, next year I am going to start my another diamond qualification in width, and I am going to complete all the 14 whatever required for Founders Scrum Ambassador in 2 years, and I will be in front of you as Founders Scrum Ambassador by 29. This is what I told, and thanks for giving this opportunity, and thank you Mumbai. Bye.